In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal address for payments. Whether you're getting paid for freelance work, selling online, or receiving money from friends or family, people will often ask you for your PayPal address. In most cases, this simply means the email address that's linked to your PayPal account and set up to receive payments. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that, and also show you where your billing and primary addresses appear in your account settings, so you know what information is being used for payments. First, open your web browser and go to the main PayPal website. Log into your account using your usual details so that you land on your PayPal dashboard or account summary page. This is the main page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right-hand corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon, which represents your account settings. It's usually located near the Log Out button. Click on that gear icon. This will open your account settings area where you can manage your profile, security, and payment information. On the settings page, you'll see different sections related to your personal details. One of the key sections is labeled Emails. Under this email section, you'll see the email address or addresses that are linked to your PayPal account. The one marked as primary is usually the main email that people can use to send you money. This is what most people mean when they ask for your PayPal address. They want this primary PayPal email. If you have more than one email listed, make sure you give them the primary one or clearly specify which one you use for payments. Next, look for the section labeled Addresses. Here you'll see the billing address associated with your PayPal account. This is typically the address linked to your payment methods, like your cards or bank account. It can also be used for things like receipts, invoices, and shipping details when you buy or sell. Finally, take note that the primary email and primary address shown in these sections are the ones PayPal associates with your payments by default. So if you're ever unsure which contact details to share or which address is being used, this is the place to double check